think our wheel hop problem's solved.
Unfortunately, there's going to be a weed eater running the entire time we do this, so we apologize for the audio scenario. But
What's the scenario?
Junkers unite for some unboxing and some junkering around. Come on, bro, open the box.
All right. I guess this is just a catalog peddling your swag.
Ah, yes.
They give us this nice.
You gotta talk loud, bro. You gotta talk over the weed eater, bro.
Oh yeah, that's right. They gave us this nice pair of stickers. We got stickers.
People always ask if we're sponsored, and yes, we're paid in stickers and hats. Because we're the only ones that get stickers and hats. You gotta have a YouTube channel for that. Regular old people don't get stickers and hats, bro.
Are you sure about that?
Just us. Alright, so I think what we gotta do now is take the shocks off. Disconnect and remove rear shocks.
Take shocks. The U-bolts. Let her hang.
Alright, so we're gonna remove some shocks.
Some U-bolts.
And some U-bolts.
Boomba.
Boomba. Hey, don't even worry about it. Don't even worry about that.
Well, we need some spritzing for the leaf bolt here.
They're gonna come right out, bro. I guarantee it.
This is the face of skepticism.
We'll see. Oh.
Bro, we don't need no spray. It's gonna come right loose.
The struggle is real.
My Lord!
Why?
I don't know, bro.
I got a wobble. You want to try to hit it with the impact from out here, maybe?
Yeah, perhaps, yeah.
We out here.
We out here.
So Jeremy, friend of the Mad Junkers, brought us over his master. What the hell is this thing called again?
Ball joint kit.
Ball joint press kit.
Ooh, looks pretty new. I'm kind of liking that one. It's mechanical.
Oh, mechanical.
And it's short. Screw that in. Yes. All right.
This pushes it out.
Pushes it out. Let's turn on the juice and see what shakes loose.
Full send, engage.
Chuck, I'm gonna need some paper towels.
You need gloves, bro.
Well, then give me some gosh dang gloves and some paper towels. What's up, Scottson?
Oh, yeah.
L-I-V-I-N?
There's no I, dude. I keep telling you that. L-I-V-A.
Now, just because I'm setting down a whole roll,
Doesn't mean you use a whole
Doesn't
roll.
mean,
Come on, man.
doesn't mean it's open season.
You know me, man. The hurricane.
A little better.
Too tight.
I'm just gonna zap it and see what it does.
It puts the bushing in the spring.
Pushing in.
Got that little sleeve piece out? No.
Should be right there. It puts grease in the hole. It fits tight, bro.
Yeah, it does.
I think we gotta loosen this guy up. Oh! Trailer hitch. Oh, this one's smaller.
Alright. Here, use this guy on the back.
Oh, yeah. Yes. That's what she needed. Okay, now I guess we stuff the spring back up in there.
Yeah. Up or down, bro?
I can't see. I can't see.
Just put it in the hole, bro.
I can't get the floor jack.
Just. Where are we gonna put the floor jack? Here where all the tools are? Hold on, let me try snaking in there.
Nope.
Hits the ratchet.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah. Not really.
Yeah.
You can put it on the back. Put it on the.
at you, bro.
God. I got him. It's still not enough.
Jack.
All right. Ho ho! Hold it right freaking there. Wait a minute.
She's stuck.
Wait a minute.
Go up. Go up.
Going up.
Up. Up. Up. Up. Up.
Oh.
Stop. I need a light. Boom.
Nice. You all the way through?
Yeah.
Yep, now this.
Throw that on there.
Where is it? Is this the guy? Hold on. Yeah. All right then.
Watch your knuckles.
Yep.
Boom.
Dear God, I hope these U-bolts line up. Yes.
What are these shocks for, Mustang?
Nissan pickup truck.
Okay. Year, make, and model.
I'm gonna get this nut on here. I can just barely get my eyes on it. I feel like that's lined up, but I can't tell.
Pretty close. Yes.
Good?
Yeah.
Okay, Joe can take it from there. I'll let you take it from there, Joe.
Oh, thanks.
Update. We out here.
I thought the word was action.
Action!
All right, so in the instructions, we need to have this sitting on the ground in order to install this rod properly. So we're just going to move on to the other side.
Yeah, we'll come back to that.
We'll come back to all that.
We out here.
We out here.
We out here. You know, it wasn't the worst thing in the world, but give yourself a little time to do this because some of the bolts don't really want to line up, but that's all right. So where are we at, Joe? Loosen some bolts and put the bars in?
We're going to play with the bar.
So at this point, are we supposed to put the wheels on and put it back on the ground?
No.
No, not yet.
No, we compress the suspension with the jack.
Ah.
Lift it up until it comes off the jack stands.
Got it.
And then that's when we make the adjustment. And I'm
Got
reading their nice color illustrated
Yeah, those are some of the nicer instructions I've ever
I gotta
seen.
say, shout out to Calvert Racing. They took the time, they put in the work.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's where all that money went.
That's where all that money went.
Oh, I see how that works. You spin the bar to lengthen or shorten.
A slight air gap.
Oh yeah, I read that. I saw that on one of the things.
Okay, so that what they want us to do is get them adjusted so that it does this. The bolt goes in. The bolt goes in.
It does. It goes right in.
And then they want us to adjust further until this little pin, come around here.
Okay.
This little pin right here is slightly up off of the spring.
Air gap.
Air gap, yep. All right, I'm gonna call that good. There we go. I can live with that.
Well, I'm hesitant to get too excited about anything with the Maverick because she's the queen of one step forward, two steps back. That's just
Why can't you ever be optimistic?
that's just what she do. Because I just took the upper control arms off
Again.
again. That's why.
Again!
That's why I hesitate to be optimistic.
Again!
I'll snuggle when she's on the ground. Okay.
I think our wheel hop problem solved. You're gonna make me walk all the way back. Oh, no. You're coming back for me.
Action.
Action. Action!
So, in summary,
In summary,
night and day.
night and day.
I'm blown away at the difference that those CalTracs make.
You have to try to get it to do a burnout.
It's unbelievable. No wheel hop, total traction.
It digs.
I don't know when I dumped the clutch, 3,000 or 4,000 RPM or something like that, and it did not even hop in the slightest bit.
The back seat was just flat.
Yeah.
One rebound and just flat.
Yeah, it's awesome. I should have done that as soon as we put the rear end in there. As soon as we got it rebuilt and put in there. Yeah. The wheel hop before was so violent. It was like, I'm telling you, it was going to break something.
It would have broke the tail shaft of the transmission.
It was going to break something off. Oh yeah, I mean you can barely burn the tires now. It just wants to get down and go, man. It doesn't even. It's crazy.
It just gets down.
It comes out of the hole, man, like nothing now.
Yeah.
So yeah. Yeah, bro.
CalTracs, success.
Success.
We out here.
All right, that's a wrap.
That's a wrap.